Hi, dear student, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhausaheb Dabhade, your geography teacher. Dear student, last online lecture we discussed about the solar system and Earth is a unique planet. Dear student, today we discuss about last point on this lesson, the shape of the earth. Listen carefully. Earlier people thought that the earth was flat and that people would fall off if they went up to the edge. It was the Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, who proved that the earth was round. He began a journey by ship from Spain, and after about 3 years of long journey, फेर्डियन मैगलेन एक पोर्तुगीज के खलासी थे। मतलब सी जहाज से वो सी रूट से ट्रैवलिंग करते थे, मतलब एक ओशन से दूसरे ओशन में, एक कॉन्टिनेंट से दूसरे कॉन्टिनेंट में। उन्होंने पूरे विश्व को बताया कि हमारी अर्थ फ्लैट नहीं है। नहीं तो बहुत सारे लोग क्या सोचते थे, हमारी अर्थ क्या है, फ्लैट है। लेकिन डियर स्टूडेंट, आवर अर्थ इज rounded. He began a journey by sea from Spain, and after about 3 years of long journey, one of the ships arrived back in Spain, thus proving that the earth was round. Earth was rounded. Our earth size and shape is geoid shape, is a spherical shape. हमारी अर्थ कैसी है, एप्पल जैसी है। लेकिन लोग क्या सोचते थे, वो प्लेन पेपर जैसी फ्लैट है। अंडरस्टूड, आवर अर्थ साइज एंड शेप इज राउंडेड। राउंडेड मीन्स एप्पल जैसा। द अर्थ इज एक्चुअली शेप लाइक एन ऑरेंज, मतलब संतरी जैसा। स्लाइटली फ्लाइटेंड एट द टॉप एंड बॉटम। North Pole and South Pole, there are two important polar region on the earth surface. ये दोनों पोलर रीजन पे हमारी अर्थ कैसी है, बॉटम और टॉप में फ्लैटेन। मतलब हमारा एप्पल सफरचंद कैसा है, ऊपर टॉप और नीचे बॉटम में फ्लैटेंड है। अंडरस्टूड, देर इज अ स्लाइट ब्लॉक एट द सेंटर। सेंटर में क्या है, इक्वेटर है। इक्वेटर मीन्स स्लाइट ब्लॉक। सो द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ with an average distance of the sun. Earth is the third planet and one of the most unique planet in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is a third number planet on the solar system. Student, all planets move around the sun on their fixed path. It is called as orbit. Sun is a permanent energy resources on the solar system. सोलार सिस्टम में जितने भी प्लैनेट है, ये पूरे के पूरे प्लैनेट रोटेट होते हैं। सन एक जगह पे है, हमारी अर्थ भी रोटेट होती है, लेकिन पूरे के पूरे प्लैनेट कैसे रोटेट होते हैं, एक ही ट्रैक से। ऑल द प्लैनेट मूव अराउंड द सन on their fixed path. It is called as orbit. Understood? And Earth is also called the unique planet. Why? Because the atmosphere, water, biospheric activity, these all the factors available on the Earth's surface. That's why human being, plants, animals, life is developed on the Earth's surface. So that is why Earth is also called the unique planet and blue planet. It forms around 4.5 to 4.6 billion years ago and is the only planet known to sustain life. हमारे अर्थ ही एक ऐसा प्लानट है सोलर सिस्टम में कि जहाँ पे सस्टेन लाइफ है, मतलब ह्यूमन बीइंग, एनिमल, वाइल्ड एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स अवेलेबल है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ फैक्टर्स लाइक इट एटमॉस्फेरिक condition and physical preparation such as the presence of water. Over 71% of the planet allow life to there. Earth is also unique, however, because it is the largest of the terrestrial planet, one that have a thin layer of rocks on the surface as opposed to those that are the mostly made up of gases like Jupiter or Saturn. Based on its mass, density, and diameter, Earth is also the fifth largest planet in the entire solar system. Earth is also the fifth number largest planet. हमारी अर्थ फिफ्थ नंबर का लार्जेस्ट प्लानट है सोलर सिस्टम में. एंड द गैसेस, द वाटर एक्टिविटी, बायोस्फीरिक एक्टिविटी, दिस कंडीशन इज फेवरेबल कंडीशन ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. ये सब की सब हमारे अर्थ में सुटेबल है हम सब लोगों के लिए. अर्थ साइज as the largest of the terrestrial planet, Earth has an estimated mass. Its volume is also the largest of these planets. In addition, Earth is the densest of the terrestrial planets as it is made up of crust, mantle, and core. Dear student, interior of the earth, there is a three important part on the earth interior. One is crust. हम जो अर्थ पे दिखाई देता है सॉइल रॉक, उनको बोला जाता है क्रस्ट और लिथोस्फियर. नेक्स्ट नंबर का है मेंटल, इनको बोला जाता है प्रावरण. और लास्ट को है बोलते हैं कोर, मीन्स गाभा. द कोर, द डेप्थ ऑफ द कोर 2900 किलोमीटर up to 7600 kilometer. There is a liquid forms of volcano available on the core. पूरा के पूरा लावारस volcano है कोर पे. The earth crust is the thinnest of this layer, while the mantle compress 84% of the earth volume and extent. The densest of these planets, however, is its core. It is the only terrestrial planet with a liquid outer core that surrounds a solid, dense inner core. Earth is classified as the largest of the terrestrial planet based on its circumference and diameter as well as. At the equator, Earth's circumference is very big. It is slightly smaller between the north and south pole. Dear student, the diameter of the earth, north pole and south pole, the decreases, but the near the middle stage, equator, the diameter is very very big. अर्थ शेप, हम हमारे अर्थ का शेप देखेंगे. अर्थ इज सर्क्यूम्फरेंस एंड डायमीटर डिफर because its shape is classified as an oblate shape or ellipsoid instead of a true sphere. This means that instead of being of equal circumference in all areas, the poles are spheric, the resulting in a plug at the equator and thus a larger circumference and diameter there. The equatorial block at Earth equator is measured at 26.5 miles and is caused by the planet's rotation and gravity. Gravity itself causes planets and other celestial bodies to the contract and form a sphere. This is because it pulls all the mass of an object as close to the center of gravity, the Earth's core, in this case, as possible. Student, सेफ, अर्थ का सेफ पूरा की पूरा एक जैसा नहीं है। सेंटर में मतलब इक्वेटर में ज़्यादा है, नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल में कम है। इक्वेटर में क्यों ज़्यादा है? बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटी एंड द रोटेशन ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस। Earth rotate, this sphere is destroyed by the centrifugal force. This is the force that causes object to move outward away from the center of gravity. ग्रेविटी सेंटर में अर्थ का शेप क्यों ज़्यादा है? क्योंकि अर्थ मूव अराउंड द सन। इक्वेटर के एरिया में हमारे अर्थ का शेप बड़ा है क्योंकि ग्रेविटी और अर्थ का रोटेशन, अर्थ रोटेट होती है। देयर आर टू इम्पॉर्टेंट मूवमेंट ऑन द अर्थ, वी ऑलरेडी लर्न। नंबर वन रोटेशन एंड नंबर टू रिवोल्यूशन। रोटेशन एंड रिवोल्यूशन की वजह से और ग्रेविटी की वजह से अर्थ का शेप बड़ा है इक्वेटर में। सेंट्रिफ्यूगल फोर्स इज द ग्रेटेस्ट at the equator. Solid causes a slight outward block there, giving that region a larger circumference and diameter. Local topography also play a role in the earth shape, but on a global scale its role is very small. The largest difference in local topography across the globe are Mount Everest, the highest point above sea level, 8,850 meters, and the Mariana Trench, the lowest point below sea level, 10,924 meter at the depth. Dear student, the highest point on the earth's surface, Mount Everest, and the lowest Mariana Trench located in the Pacific Ocean. These are the two important points on the earth's surface as far as concerned in local topography. जब हमारे जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी के साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया तो माउंट एवरेस्ट सबसे ऊपर माउंटेन है और मरियाना ट्रेंच, एक ट्रेंच मतलब गर्ता, ओशन में सबसे डेप्थ वाली सबसे खोल जो जगह है उनको बोला जाता है मरियाना गर्ता, और सबसे हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है सी लेवल से माउंट एवरेस्ट. दिस इज अ टोपोग्राफिकल इक्वेशन ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. If the equatorial block is considered the world highest point and the place that is the farthest from the earth center is the peak of the volcano Chimborazo in Ecuador, as it is the highest peak that is nearest the equator. So the different places is different area like size and shape. This is very important part on the earth surface. हमारी अर्थ पे हमें अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग लोकेशन दिखाई देते हैं. ये लोकेशन से हमें ये पता चलता है कि अर्थ का साइज, अर्थ की शेप कैसी है, वो जियोडेसी कैलकुलेट करती है. Figure of the earth is a term of art in geodesy that refer to the size and shape used to model earth. The size and shape it refers to depend on context, including the precision needed for the model. The sphere is an approximation of the figure of the earth that is satisfactory for many purposes. Several models with greater accuracy have been developed so that the coordinate systems can survive the pressures needs of navigation. Navigation activity is the most important activity in all the world. So that's why the most important part of the education in geography and science, the size and shape on the earth surface. Understood everyone? From mathematical consideration of the combined gravitational and the center figure force which the earth the experience on the size and shape. Geodesy. Geodesy is the science that study the shape and size of the earth. As discussed in Voyagers, the shape of the earth was long known to be round. The Aristotle and the Portuguese both argued that the earth was a sphere from the curved shadow it cast during lunar eclipses about 2000 years later. But the geodesy, although the difference between equatorial and polar diameter is only 26 miles, the about shape of the earth complicates geographical matters. This is a different thing on overall the study, but the important role of Ferdinand Magellan. According to the Ferdinand Magellan, this is very great Portuguese scientist or important journey of the ship ऑन द सी वाटर बॉडीज. वो एक टूरिस्ट थे, वाटर बॉडीज पे वो ट्रैवलिंग करते थे. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रैवलर्स एंड द रेफरेंस ऑफ दिस important scientist after having his proposed the expedition to the space, the island respectively rejected by the king, the Portugal. Magellan turned to the Charles, the traveling. The Magellan traveling is very important because the biography and the historical condition, the study of the overall the condition in search of fame and fortune. Portuguese explorer the Ferdinand Magellan set out from Spain in 1519 with a fleet of 5 ships to discover the western sea route to the space island. En route, he discovered what is now known as the Strait of Magellan and became the first European to cross the Pacific Ocean. The voyage was long and dangerous, and only one ship returned home 3 years later. 3 साल के बाद अपने घर पे यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट वो बैक चला आया. 3 साल के बाद वही जगह पे स्पेन में चला गया, क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ का शेप और साइज कैसा है, राउंड है, गोल घूम के फिर वही जगह पे आ गया. द Ferdinand Magellan's the early years and the study, the sea exploration and the dominions over the space trade in the East Indies, especially the space island and the Spain. This is very important resources available in over all the world. So that's why the earth is rounded. The earth shape is very important. Last point, dear student, horizon. Vertical means and horizon means horizontal. horizon means टेढ़ा, उनको मराठी में भी बोलते हैं आड़वा, horizon. When we see from a great distance the sky and the earth appear to meet, this meeting point is called horizon. Sky मतलब आकाश, and the earth means हम जहाँ पे रहते हैं वो earth. The meeting point, sky and earth appear to meet. This meeting point is also called horizon. However, the sky and the earth never meet. It look like that because the earth is very big in size and its surface look that to us. Sky and earth कभी एक जगह पे नहीं आ सकते. वो मिल नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ की साइज एंड शेप बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन हम जब दूर देखते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है स्काई और अर्थ एक दूसरे में मिल गई, मीटिंग पॉइंट आ गया, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. So dear student, today we learn the earth size and shape. Understood? Thank you. Take care.